All right, once you're logged into Infinite Campus and you want to see your student's report card, you're going to go over to the far left-hand side of the screen to this icon here that I like to call the stack of pancakes. I'm going to click it, and it's going to bring up a bunch of items in the menu that we might be looking for. In this case, we're looking for a student report card. This can be found in the Documents item right down here in the lower third of our menu. I'm simply going to click where it says Documents, and it's going to bring up what is available to us. Here we can see we can search by school year. At the time of this video being created, the parent portal is being newly opened to parents at the elementary level, so only this current school year is what's available to us. Now, I can download various report cards, but you can also see here that I can download a student schedule as well. All right. Now, I need to decide what type of report card I wish to view. If I want a standard elementary report card that will show performance level scores and teacher comments for each subject area, then I'm going to click on Elementary Report Card. But if I want to get into the nitty-gritty of things and see how each learning goal within a subject area was scored, then I would click on Elementary Report Card with Learning Goals, which will give me a much more detailed amount of information. I'm going to simply click on that line, and the report card is going to open up in a new window here. Now that this report card is open, I can decide what I'm going to do with it. I can go up to the very top of the screen and I can download by clicking this little downward pointing arrow, or I can print off my report card directly from this window so that I have a copy available to put up on the refrigerator. All right, so this is how to access your student's report card in the Infinite Campus Parent Portal.